So today we're going to try and get the front wheels rebalanced and make sure that the rear wheels get mounted and put on the correct directional. Taking test drive. Car is a little vibrant at 65, but nothing that I can't handle. So we're just gonna keep driving with it as is. There's a little bit of play in the steering rack on the driver's side, but it's manageable. And just gonna kind of go with it and see how it goes. If it gets worse, we're going to be doing an e-pass swap, and we're going to go to the electric steering rack. So that's what we got going on. And in other things, my wideband is having ground connectivity issues, so it likes to lag a little bit with revs and pulls. So I need to get that squared away on the next part of my journey. So on the list of things to do for this car, gonna have to get the shocks adjusted, because when you turn the wheel, it makes clunking sounds. So we are currently on way to get the rack retightened because it's a little loose. So once the rack is tightened over here, this won't be flapping and wobbling. So we're gonna hope that this is a 5-minute thing, not even, just tightens the rack and we're good to keep driving. Well, still having a slight vibration, so I think it's time that the shop that I went to takes a look at the front wheels, rebalance them, see if that fixes the issue. So these issues on driving are getting to be a bit much just to get it to drive the right way. All right, guys, keep going. This journey is continuous as always. Hey guys, so whatever attempts after the steering rack being tightened didn't really help. I'm leaving the rear wheels as is right now because I'm not really driving the car that much that it really matters to have the tires mounted and balanced in the right way. I mean, the tires are working in the back either way. So after this morning and after getting to my buddy Josh and having him tightening down the steering rack, I did a pull and it was fine at 60, 65, but after I guess the tires were really warm and the car was really warm, I was driving about, I guess I did a pull at 80 and the front was just like, you know, it wasn't like ridiculous, but it's enough to annoy a person. So not gonna bother with the rear wheels. We're just gonna get the front looked at, find out if it's something like stupid, ball joint, anything, caliper, something overlooked. And I'm gonna have the shop that told me that the rack was loose, I'm gonna have them look at it again, look at the front tires, check the alignment, and go from there. After that, I don't have any clue where I'm gonna go with the car, but I want the car to drive smooth on the road. I mean, my issues never really persisted until I did my front bumper. So not sure what that shop did, because the wheels were on the car at that point when I dropped it off for the bumper, and a bumper change should not cause the front to at 80. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna look into what it could be. It could be something stupid, it could be something, you know, small being overlooked. I'm just out of ideas right now and trying to not get frustrated with the car. So we're gonna do that, and hopefully we'll be ready for Mustang Day, which is gonna be a fun day because got 2 events, Venom Outlaws and my Mustang group up in North Jersey, and that's about it right now. But driving the car just hasn't been enjoyable, and it should be enjoyable. So we're gonna do what we can to get this squared away. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Have a good one. Stay safe. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.